Power steering link right here. This connection, I think it's the hose. I've replaced that adapter 3 times. It's just a pain in the ass. Casey and I just took this out and put it through its spaces. I got power steering fluid everywhere. So I'm going to replace the hose because I've replaced that adapter 3 times. Kicking my butt, but that's okay. Look at the mess it made down here. It shot fluid everywhere. I'm going to have to replace the hose itself because the adapters I've replaced 3 times. I don't know what to do. Kicking me.
Hey, Ken.
Yeah, babe. What?
I need you to go get me some milk, please.
Jesus Christ. All right, I will. Thanks. Wants me to go get her milk right now. I got things to do. It's Sunday. Hell, I should be inside watching football. Go get me milk. Go get me this. Go get me milk. I'll get you milk.
What do we think?
Looks fine to me. I mean, I see no issues at all. Brake lights work, the backup lights work. I'm thinking, you know, going down and hitting a hard brake check.
Yeah, let me just kind of up and down here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go about halfway and set the camera.
Okay, I'm going slow. I'm just trying to figure it out, you know?
Understood.
We're solid inside.
Okay.
Hey, you do that. I'm just going to roll slow. I want you to watch me. I know it sounds dumb. You're going to tell me if I'm crazy or not, but I feel like when I'm brake, sometimes it does this, and then it crabs, walks, and straightens out. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But, so I'll turn around, and I'll roll slow past you, and I'll dive on the brakes up there, make sure, you know, the rear end doesn't...
Yeah.
It only feels when you go straight, and you're like, am I crab walking?
I wonder, I don't know, I didn't see it.
You didn't see it, and I'll have you do it
because,
too.
you know, when something's crab walking, you know what it is.
Well, yeah, but it feels like a crab walk because something loose, and then when you stride.
All right, well, let's take a look at it. Could it be the front end?
Give it a feel. I mean, I'm not beating her up. I'm trying to be nice to the clutch and stuff, but I'm just trying to shake her out. I think I know what it is. The camber angle, we don't have those in because your front tire, this front tire is at a super angle. So when we're going on and off the suspension, we're creating load, and that camber is because we don't have an alignment. We just kind of be it. That makes sense why it would feel like it's pitching, but it's actually the front end going.
I'm gonna run it down here and come out and do it at speed. I'm working on the brakes, but I
work on the brakes, but be nice to the clutch. And
yeah.
You know, also let's not snap the rear end in the first 5 seconds. But
would I do that?
No, but I would. But send prayers for that 8.8. It's going to hell quick.
We're gonna call you Tony or Dolchich.
Right? Yeah. 12-volt Dave.
Yeah, there we go.
All right. Have fun. Just get out and come look at your front tires. There. You know, the alignment, it keeps changing though. Look at it now. Just come back here. Right?
They've really towed.
And when you roll on and off, right, it's drastically.
Yeah, because the camber is way in. Or, I mean, not.
Yeah, but when you're coming on and off though, you know, when you hit the brakes, yo, they really pigeon in.
Okay. See, we got a power steering leak back, but that's we'll fix that.
Well, do you want to roll it back so
Yeah,
we
yeah.
can just kind of?
I agree.
Right.
We got some good footage. The brakes, I'd like to bleed them again.
I think they're coming around better. They still need to be bedded in. This is helping, but also we're just doing laps up and down, so we may be heat washing them too.
Yep.
Yeah, balance.
I
But now you can go back, nut bolt check. We can look at the front end. So
the
now
other thing I was looking at the rear end as far as height, you know, and this end is passenger side is up, you know, and the leaf springs are brand new. I mean, the only thing I can think about is
Frame.
putting coilovers on it, you know, where you can, it may be in a frame.
Down the road.
How was it when you got out of second gear? I've never been out of second gear.
Oh, I ran it all the way up to 5th just to hit the boxes.
Yeah.
We feel good.
Okay. All right, here, I'll trade you. Bad Kitty got a bath this morning, its first bath. Just gave it a quickie, get some of the dust off of it. You see the license plate on the back? That was from when we picked the car up, sitting in the field. It hadn't been registered for like 25 years. That plate is a little worn out, but I put it on there just for sentimental. Inside, we got the NHRA approved quick disconnect. It's not to be official. It should be extended out through the back of the car so you can push it in to disconnect the battery. It didn't go that far, but I wanted it. It's kind of a anti-theft. If you don't know it's there, you ain't gonna start the car. The taillights, all these are digital. You can program them like 12 different ways. I'll put the link below from the company. I want to say it was Easy Performance. I think they're out of Michigan. Rear brakes. I've gone 3 different sets on this. I didn't like the quality of the disc conversion, but these are quick performance 2.5 inch drum brakes. Original stock came either 1 inch or 1.5 inches if you got the beefier brakes. These are 2.5. They fit, they work fine. Really like the quality of them. And I'm drag racing this car. It's not going to drive in the rain. It's not going to autocross. So I don't care. I just need it to stop in a straight line after you go very fast. Interior, perfect? No. Not bad though. The wife did a great job. The rear seats, she's responsible for all that. The front seats are scat. Redid the dash. It's all its odometer gauges. And of course we got the sniper readout. And it's ready to rock and roll. The paint, good and bad. It's got to be repainted. We experimented, got bit in the ass a little bit, and we'll redo it. The front brakes are Willwood. Did that real nice. Front bumper. Man, these are hard to find. Not your everyday thing. Finding the front bumper, not an easy task. The headlights, we didn't, everything's blacked out on this car. We like it. It's a good look. We got the Dixters, automatic opening, and headlights. I'm not impressed. It was a lot of money, you know. And the guy, was my conversation with him, the one conversation, doesn't answer his emails. And when I did talk to him, he was a little arrogant. And, but there's few people that make it. I had another choice, and I kind of wish I'd have gone that way. Too late now. They work. So, overall, it glitters. The flake is nice, and it adds the extra glitters, and it's really pretty. But I don't know if we're going to do it again. So, I like the seats. They were scats. So we'll see.